Foam Concrete Limited employs technologically advanced automated batching equipment for the production and placement of foam concrete. Bulk cement and fly ash are received in separate storage silos, which keeps the materials dry and free of lumps. The bulk materials are transferred to slurry mixing tanks by means of automatically controlled screw conveyors. From the central control panel, the desired ratio of cement, fly ash and water are programmed into the unit's central computer to automatically produce the preset mix design of slurry. The slurry blending consists of two mixing tanks, which each have integral load cells that individually weigh each component as it's introduced into the mixer. With a 1.5% tolerance per batch, the dry materials and water are thoroughly mixed together by high-speed impellers. As one mixer has begun the slurry mixing cycle, the other mixer is receiving. Thus, a continuous amount of slurry is produced. The mixed slurry is dropped into a buffer tank, which is located under the mixers and is equipped with a built-in agitator to prevent segregation of the slurry. From the buffer tank, the slurry is drawn through twin peristaltic pumps at a rate preset from the control panel. The pump speed can be adjusted for any desired production rate of foam concrete, up to the maximum of slurry production. The pump speed, or extraction rate of slurry from the buffer tank, controls the batching of the slurry. Load cells on the buffer tank weigh the amount of the slurry in the tank as it's being removed by the pumps. At a preset weight, slurry production automatically starts again to provide a constant supply of slurry to the pump until production is manually cancelled at the control panel. The preformed foam is generated with specialised foam production equipment. The Provoton foaming agent is drawn directly from its shipping container by means of a diaphragm metering pump. Water to mix with the concentrate is supplied by a plunger pump. A single frequency drive controls both motor pump speeds, so that combined mixture of concentrate to water, called the premix, is a constant ratio for any required foam rate. The premix is then combined with an automatically metered amount of compressed air based on the selected volume of foam required. The premix and air mixture pass through a foaming pot where it's subjected to a sufficient amount of shearing force to produce a continuous rate of preformed foam. The preformed foam is injected into the slurry supply line where it blends with the slurry by turbulent flow, producing the finished foam concrete. Using minimal personnel, foam concrete is then easily placed.